All right, well, let's clip this bad boy on, see how it looks. I hope I'm doing this right here. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. Current temperature is 35 degrees. Well, in today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we are going to throw on a set of tow mirrors on Blue Lightning, right? Blue Lightning's getting ready to tow good old Ruby. That's right, everybody. Ruby is back home, in case you didn't know it. Yes, we are going to put on a set of tow mirrors on Blue Lightning so that we can tow Ruby down to South Carolina to hang out with Pony 1992, Boosted 931, T. Hetzler, Gearhead 704, Trooper 50, Demon Fox, and I think that's the entire list, everybody. If I left anybody out, I do apologize, but there's a party going on down in South Carolina. Not going to tell you where because you got to be in the OG club. So we're heading down south. We're getting ready to put on these mirrors, right? So we can put Ruby in the trailer and get her down there safely with the big new 24-foot enclosed car trailer. We tried pulling that trailer around town a little bit, and it's really sketchy without having some tow mirrors. All right, so let me flip the camera on, and I'll show you guys what we got over here. So what we have is some Snap and Zap by K-Source extension mirrors, I guess you would call them. It says it fits all Ford F-150s 15 and up. They were $56 on Amazon. So we'll do a quick unboxing video in the pole barn, and we'll see how these bad boys fit on the old F-150. All right, well, we're in the pole barn. Let's open this box up, see what we got inside. Oh, man, it's fighting me a little bit. There we go. Oh, we got a little bit of tapage. Oh, I think we got our trusty blade. What we got here? This is cool. Look at this, people. They give you a nice little baggie they come in, so you can store them like under your seat in your truck or whatever. That's pretty sharp. Well, let's see. Open these up, see what we got inside. All right. Oh, these look pretty good. All right, well, come on over here, take a look at these. Pull these out. Ooh, come on now. Maybe I gotta pull them out at the same time. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. Which one's this? This one looks like, let me see what's in the box here real quick, guys. All right, so it looks like this would be the driver's side. All right, well, let's walk over here. Let's go take a look at this. All right, well, let's clip this bad boy on, see how it looks. I hope I'm doing this right here. Oh, that was cool. All right, nice and easy. Oh, let's see here. We're almost there, I think. How is it? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, there it goes. All right, check it out. I'll flip it out for you guys. Come around, take a look at this. Oh, this will be sharp. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that should help out tremendously. You know what, everybody? Let me hop in the truck real quick, and I'll give you the view that I would have as if I was pulling the trailer behind me. Well, here's our view inside the truck, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, Sassy Car Girl's in the back. And I think these mirrors are going to be a tremendous help. Tremendous help. Matter of fact, when I hooked the trailer up to the truck to load Ruby into the trailer to go down south, we will drop you guys another video before we go down south. And I'll show you guys again how these mirrors look with the actual trailer behind the truck. But just to give you a little bird's eye view of, you know, what it looks like inside the truck. Well, y'all, I think the Snap and Zap clip-on mirrors for pulling a large trailer are a success. They go on rather easy. They come off rather easy. They're easily adjustable. So I'm really looking forward to using these when I do my, what would it be, 1,200-mile trip down to Florida. So, hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, smash that subscribe button. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. We'd really appreciate the support, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.